GMAT practice test answer explanations updated for 2026. Learn fast and pass GMAT. Question 1. 6. There are 40 students in a classroom, 9/20 of them are boys and 4/5 of them are right-handed. How many right-handed boys are there in the classroom? Option A, between 10 and 32. Option B, between 14 and 32. Option C, between 10 and 18. Option D, between 14 and 18. Option E, between 18 and 36. The correct answer is option C, between 10 and 18. There are 9/20 x 40 equals 18 boys in the class. 80% of them are right-handed, meaning that 4/5 x 18 equals 14.4. Answer C is the best answer. Question 2. In Jonathan's pen there are 300 sheeps. 5/6 of the sheeps are white, 2/3 of the sheeps have soft wool. What can't be the number of white sheeps that also have soft wool in the pen? Option A, 100. Option B, 200. Option C, 190. Option D, 180. Option E, 160. The correct answer is option A, 100. There are 5/6 x 300 equals 250 white sheeps. There are 2/3 x 300 equals 200 soft woolen sheeps. The maximum overlap is the size of the smallest among the groups, thus 200. The minimum overlap is 250 plus 200 300 equals 150. Therefore the number of sheeps can be somewhere between 150 and 200. Question 3. Ross has 40 shirts, 3/4 of the shirts are green and 1/10 is without buttons. Therefore Ross has between blank and blank shirts with buttons that are not green. Option A, 6, 10. Option B, 4, 25. Option C, 4, 10. Option D, 5, 25. Option E, 3, 10. The correct answer is option A, 6, 10. Notice that the groups that we are looking for are overlapping are the not green shirts and the buttoned ones. The not green shirts are 1/4 of 40, 10 shirts. The shirts with buttons are 9/10 x 40 equals 36. The maximum overlapping is the size of the smallest group, 10. The minimum overlapping is 36 plus 10 40 equals 6. Therefore A is the answer. Question 4. In the Cannes Film Festival, 50 movies were presented. 3/5 of the movies are action movies and 4/5 is science fiction movies. How many of the movies were science fiction action movies? Option A, 10. Option B, 15. Option C, 20. Option D, 30. Option E, 35. The correct answer is option C, 20. There were 3/5 x 50 equals 30 action movies. There were 4/5 x 50 equals 40 science fiction movies. Exact overlapping is calculated by minimum overlapping method. Therefore there are 40 plus 30 50 equals 20 movies that belong to both categories. Question 5. There are 200 cats in Cat City. Out of the 200, 70 are street cats and the rest are domestic cats. 110 cats are gray, 30 out of the gray cats are domestic ones. How many domestic cats are there which are not gray in Cat City? Option A, 90. Option B, 80. Option C, 50. Option D, 40. Option E, 25. The correct answer is option C, 50. Out of 200 cats, 130 are domestic ones. Out of 110 gray cats, 30 are street cats, therefore 80 are gray and domestic ones. Altogether there are 130 domestic cats, 80 are gray, so 130 80 equals 50 are not gray. Question 6. Chandler is building a fence in the following method. He grounds 10 poles, each 10 centimeters thick, in 1 meter spaces from each other. He then connects the poles with a barbed wire. What is the total length of the fence? Option A, 11. Option B, 12. Option C, 9.9. Option D, 10. Option E, 13. The correct answer is option D, 10. The total width of the poles is 10 x 0.1 equals 1 meter. There are 9 spaces between the poles, each 1 meter, so it's another 9 meters. The total length is 1 plus 9 equals 10 meters. Question 7. What is the sum of all the even numbers bigger than -10 and smaller than 12? Option A, 2. Option B, 10. Option C is 0. Option D, 8. Option E, 4. The correct answer is option B, 10. This is a series of numbers with a constant spacing between them. The first number is -8, and the last is 10. There are 10 numbers altogether. The formula for such a series is -8 plus 10, x 10, / 2 equals 10. The second way to answer such a question is to write the numbers and add them. Question 8. The value of an aerosol stock changes according to the following method. At the end of each month her value is doubled, but due to commission the stock's value is decreases by $10. If the value at the beginning of January is $A, what would be her value at the end of February? Option A, 4A10. Option B, 4A20. Option C, 4A30. Option D, 4A40. Option E, 4A50. The correct answer is option C, 4A30. At the end of January her value is 2A10. At the end of February her value is 2x, 2A10, 10 equals 4A30. Question 9. An amoeba is an organic life form that divides into 2 amoebas each round hour. If at a certain round hour, 2 amoebas were placed in a jar, how many amoebas will be in the jar in n hours? Option A, 2n. Option B, 22n. Option C, 2n plus 1. Option D, 2n1. Option E, 2n. The correct answer is option C, 2n plus 1. Let's find the number of amoebas in the first hours. After 1 hour, n equals 1, there will be 4 amoebas. After 2 hours, n equals 2, there will be 8 amoebas. After 3 hours, n equals 3, there will be 16 amoebas. Therefore the formula that fits this series is 2n plus 1. Question 10. Alpha, beta and gamma are inner angles in a triangle. If alpha equals beta plus gamma, what can't be the size of beta? Option A, 44 degrees. Option B, 45 degrees. Option C, 89 degrees. Option D, 90 degrees. Option E, there isn't enough data to determine. The correct answer is option D, 90 degrees. If beta is 90 degrees then alpha is bigger than 90 and the sum of the angles in the triangle will be bigger than 180 degrees. Question 11. In a triangle, one side is 6 centimeters and another side is 9 centimeters. Which of the following can be the perimeter of the triangle? Option A, 18. Option B, 25. Option C, 30. Option D, 32. Option E, 34. The correct answer is option B, 25. The third side of the triangle is larger than 3, the difference between the other two, and smaller than 15, the sum of the other two. The perimeter is between 6 plus 9 plus 3 equals 18, and 6 plus 9 plus 15 equals 30. The only answer that is in this range is B. Question 12. To which of the following shapes the area can't be calculated if the perimeter is given? Option A, circle. Option B, an isosceles right triangle. Option C, rectangle. Option D, a regular hexagon. Option E, a square. The correct answer is option C, rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2a plus 2b. In order to calculate the area we need to know the multiplication of axb. Question 13. A and B are 2 circles. The radius of A is twice as large as the diameter of B. What is the ratio between the areas of the circles? Option A, 1:8. Option B, 1:2. Option C, 1:4. Option D, 1:16. Option E, 1:6. The correct answer is option D, 1:16. The radius of circle A is 4 times larger than the radius of circle B. The area of a circle is a function of the radius squared, therefore the area of radius A is 16 times bigger. Question 14. A, B, C, D and E are 5 consecutive points on a straight line. If BC equals 2CD, D equals 4, AB equals 5 and AC equals 11, what is the length of AE? Option A, 21. Option B, 26. Option C, 30. Option D, 18. Option E, 16. The correct answer is option D, 18. First, draw the line and the points. In order to find the length of AE, find the length of CD and BC first. BC equals AC, AB equals 11, 5 equals 6. BC equals 2 CD, CD equals 3. AE equals 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 equals 18. Question 15. In a rectangular axis system, what is the distance between the following points? A, 3, 2, and B, 7, 5. Option A, 5. Option B, 7. Option C, 6. Option D, 4. Option E, 3. The correct answer is option A, 5. First, draw a rectangular axis system and mark the 2 points. The easiest way to find the distance between them is to draw a triangle, where the line AB is the hypotenuse. You can see that the length of one side of the triangle is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and the other side is 7, 3 equals 4. The length of the line AB is received with the help of the Pythagoras principle equals 5.